See it stay below 344.
ATR, no way. No way. Really? 434 on ATR.
I have no clue what that means.
The range has not been that big these past couple of days.
I guess this still is working out.
135. It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna follow all our rules and we're gonna make it happen.
That part.
I feel like it's so loud. I don't know. I think it's outside. Close this window. All right. 924 here. We do got gaps. We don't have any. You don't have gaps on the VIX. So I mean, we have a gap to the upside, up, down. We have a gap to the upside. Not much volume. So I don't know. Not really sure how I feel about this. We'll see though.
So you don't have a bias. You're just trying to wait and see.
Yeah, just waiting to see. Like just waiting to see. Let me see the daily chart here.
There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Damn, give me what I'm looking for. Let's get out. Scalp pick little $100 and leave it at that. So open. It's like it wants to go down, but it's not letting it. Like I don't know. This is 4 hour. That's the thing. Like 4 hours is showing me a buy. 1 hour is just trash. 30 minutes is showing me a sell. It's all over the place today. That's why I got in on the sell, that little quick little sell, because it was a break and retest of 344.
Yeah.
But it literally went to the 5 minute gap and then caught it so. Like, I mean, 5 minute FEG, like it went straight to the midline and popped up. Like it was looking nice for a sell for a minute. I wanted to take it to the 4 hour. We got some 4 hour gap. What is that? FVGs, whatever those. I wanted to take it down to there, but I don't know if been able to without me since I just got out.
Anyway, we had news at 9:10. We had news at 9:10. News at 10:30. Yeah. Just wait till open here. Probably get some interesting moves. Journal my thought process. Kind of curious.
What news you got?
Huh?
You said news at 9:10 and news at 10.
Use at 10:30. Yeah, May 14th, 2024, 2025. 926. No gap on the VIX. Can I not type today on the VIX? It's either Fear and Greed. Yeah, I can't type today. Wow, what is going on? Fear.
I know you're gonna be able to click them keys today.
I got to.
That's right.
Almost Wow, we're almost greedy, right? We're almost at extreme fear or extreme greed. That's interesting. Yeah, so we might get a pullback coming up.
That's what I'm looking for, man. Like even on the daily, like we have a gap way, way, way down here. Um, and then we just got these two big old white candles, and it's like, I mean, don't you want to come do some stuff down here? You want to make this balanced before you go like continue up? Like you gotta pull back something. Just gonna do it next week. What's today? Wednesday.
928 there. 2 minutes till the opening bell.
It smells like somebody has a zoo out here. I don't know where it's coming from. It smells like somebody got a lot of animals in their house, and they got their door open.
Oh, you outside trade.
That's so that
Yeah, outside trading.
I am outside.
Oh, I actually hit that 924 I was looking at the other day. Wow. That's unfortunate. I said 924, 320, 349.
Did it?
Yeah. Unfortunately. Hit it without me. Next target is 617. If it keeps
It's
continues.
617. I didn't even mark up. I don't know why. I didn't even mark up. I guess I'm not even thinking about buys. Oh.
Should mark up everything.
I wasn't thinking about it. You said what number you on?
617.
Oh wow. What's up there?
That's the only one. I mean,
You want to break up that wick.
yep.
Okay, I want to break up the candle body. So I got 484. I want to break and hold the candle body.
Okay, open. Hello, hello. All right. Yeah. We got buy side there at 638. 638. 368. My risk for today, I'm just gonna do what I've been doing.
Oh, we are open.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, open. It's up to a 15-minute fair value gap, I believe. No, a 4 hour. What did it just do? Looks like it wants to take that buy side at 368. Just took some highs out there. Curious. Gotta do its thing. So we definitely do a lot of things today. We could consolidate. We could drop. We could continue going higher.
If it stays below 344, I'm looking for a sell.
Yeah, after taking out buy side. A lot of orders coming in for buys on the tape there. Running higher. That's a good sign. Yeah. I'm gonna take buy side there. Stop the 1 minute fair value gap. Leaving buy side. Right on the tape, we're still going higher. Yeah, still going higher. We might take that buy side there. What am I looking for? Heat map. Green on the heat map to the buy side. Nice. Red on the tape, bleeding hard. Might be looking to take buy side there. Risk reward is not it for me. It's only it's like 30 points. It's not bad. 1 minute about to close, and if it takes that, if it gives us a fair value gap, taps back into it, I'll take a buy there. 1 minute. Hopefully it doesn't take.
We're about to go hit 385.
Damn it. It's about to take it. Took it. Nice.
Yeah, I took it. That was a nice buy. I jumped in that so quick. Damn. Okay. That's pretty.
All right, leave 5 minute coming up. Gives us a gap on the 4 minute. Taps back into a fair value gap. I'll take a buy. Just waiting on it. Strong buy there. Leave 5 minute coming up. No sellers above that high. I'm not seeing no type of indication of slowing down. That's good. Leave 5 minute. Just need to set up. That's all. There's literally no red on the tape, and we're not even trying to go down. It's interesting.
Well, I'm looking for it to at least come down to 360.
Red on the tape. Oh, now we're coming down here. That's good. If it comes down, taps back in, I'm totally buying that.
30-minute break was at 369.
Look, you 1 minute. That candle's about to make a fair value gap. Taps back in. 100% buying it. Let me not miss my entry here. Waiting for it. Red on the volume profile there. At the highs. Didn't give me my entry. So unfortunate. Red on the volume profile. If it takes that high, I'll be very surprised. Took it. Nice. That's strength. Oh. Red on the heat, red on the tape, and red. Ooh, whoa. We might be bleeding here. But it's not going lower. It's not going lower.
Like, what does that mean, though? Like,
I want to buy this. It's like, it's red on the tape. So orders coming in, but it's not trying to go lower. So price is holding up, and while there's so many sell orders coming in, that means buyers are holding it up. So I'm want to buy it when it taps that fair value gap right there. Point of control just moved up.
is that past the block?
It's about to get about to tap that 5 minute red on the tape, and we're going lower. Let's see how it holds here. Tap the 1 minute fair value gap. Red on the tape. Leading on the tape. I gotta know that.
I'm gonna tap me in at 369. Don't play me.
Stop low, candles low. See, all I can do is wait. Entry was pretty chalk, can't lie. But whatever. Too much red on the tape for me. I actually don't like the straight. Tap the 50% of that fair value gap. Yeah, red on the tape. Got stopped out.
And just tap me. You got stopped out.
Yep.
I told you that I wanted to see it come down and touch 369. It literally just came from top to me. Because that was the break on the 30-minute. You know my break and retest.
I got back in. Just tapped another 1 minute fair value gap there. And showing a lot of green on the tape. But if it doesn't respect it quickly, I'll just jump out of that too. Any moment. The 41 on the 90.8 ATR. That's crazy. Red on the tape. I don't like that. I'm buying all of this. I'm looking to add, but it's too much red on the tape for me. Add it there. Put a break at a high. Need 5 minutes coming up. There's just too much red on the tape. Or delta positive. Five. Especially some T.
Nope, it's coming down below there at 369, which is what I don't want to see if it's a buy. But we got a 3-minute fair value gap.
But we're bleeding on the tape.
That would be We're at the first break now. The first break was at 353.
It's after 5 minutes too. And we're in that 1 minute fair value gap there. Look like it's holding. I like that. Nice. And 1 minute fair value gap there though.
minutes. I guess I'm not all the time getting back above 369.
Just tap point of control. Just tap point of control. Break even on that. Look like it wants to hold. I want ES to take the highs here. Because it's kind of bearish to some T. Definitely a battle going on right now.
Yeah, I'm sitting out until it decides.
Yeah.
I don't know, you say you got news coming up too, but that's what, 45 minutes, 47 minutes.
Mm-hmm. We are bleeding. I think this is in the flip. We're bearish to some T. It doesn't look like it's going to hold there. Yeah. Like, we're so red on the tape. It's ridiculous. Top the 15-minute fair value gap there. On the hourly fair value gap. I don't know, just because of the red on the tape, it just seems like this is gonna go lower.
We would need 344, which is the first break for a sale.
It's red on the tape and we're going lower. Look at that. Takes that low again with the red on the tape. Oh man, this is a sell, bro. Nice. Cracks that low there, we might be melting down to some serious lows there. I don't know what he wants to take, but that's a new 15-minute candle, by the way. Tap the fair value gap on the 15 and back in here. Let me take something off. Oh, we're melting. Oh my god, red on the tape. Took the low again. For the break of the low. Crack that low. Oh my god, I'm stopped to break even. We didn't crack the low. I see. We're flipping. Volume profile is flipping red. So it's taking over. Took some off. Let's see. Doesn't want to take that low. The last bit of buys are right there. Roll my stop up above this high. Oh my god, right on the tape. Bleed. 33-point candle on the 39-point ATR. We're about to crack that low there for the break of the low. Almost. Just not trying to take it. I'll take one off there. Two. Take one off there. For the break of the low. I'll add back in if show more bearish pressure. My target. We cracked it. Nice. Just keep it going. Wow. Yeah, we are changing, flipping side. Sellers are taking over. Just red on the tape. By the top, the low of the fair value gap. Yes, already took it over. He map. Everything's turning a bit red. Yep. I might add if it gives me a entry again. I'll add back into that. 100%. Oh man, we're melting. Melting, man. Melting. Gives me an entry again. I'll add back 100%. Right now, I'm just holding. I'm rolling my stop aggressively because I want to start a whole new entry. My stop's right above the high of that low that we took. Just let it go. Damn, bro, we are melting, bro. I want to add to this, but I need an entry. Holy moly. Might give me entry. I need 5 minutes coming up. And then it might test back into that fair value gap there. Boom. I'm taking that for a sell, 100%. It's about to stop me out. It just tapped back in. Let's see. Okay. 5. I'm watching it. I'll take a sell there. Fuck it. Red on the tape. They did not waste time. 5 for the break. Oh my god. Oh, that's gone. 60 points on that 40-point ATR. We are going. Look at that tape. It's just bleeding. Move my stop up here. Should not take out this high. It just shouldn't. Why would it? I expect us to keep going lower here. Need 5. Why not? Hit the daily open. But we are not seeing any type of bullish nothing. Oh my god, I'm holding this. Fuck that. Just immediately smashed down. Where are we heading to?
Oh, so why you got underneath us?
Oh, good call. Oh my god, good call. Fuck. Good call. We tapped it. Fuck. Set up. No. I'm gonna get stopped out for break even. He's not gonna take the low. Fuck. Really? Whatever. Stopped out for break even. I need to never do that again. Damn.
You should see how this candle look on the 30.
Damn. I am pissed. It literally tapped that favor. I did not see that. I would have taken some off, bro. What?
I told you we had one down there earlier when we talked on the phone.
I didn't see it. I didn't remember it.
I was like, we got 2 4-hour for you got below us. That's why my bias was kind of like a sale.
2 4-hour?
Sales today.
I mean, I'm looking at the 15. The 15 is what I thought you were talking about.
No, we got 2 4-hour FEGs beneath us and a couple of 30 minutes. And
well, I'm looking at the 15. The 15 is what I just saw right there. I didn't even see it. That's okay. That's unfortunate. That would have put me really good on the day. I was thinking to at least take that low, but whatever. We did it. Whatever.
So what is your next trade setup? What are you looking for?
I don't know. Just have to wait and see. That was supposed to be the play there, and that looked heavy, man. I just didn't see the motherfucking fair value gap right there. I would have taken some off because it was literally deep in profit. Right on the fucking tape, bro. Holy shit. No setup though.
Coming up too. I was going to get below 260. Get below 260. I am getting back in.
I wish it tapped
Yeah,
that fair value gap
it's
on the
at
one.
68 points. Yeah.
I really wish it tapped that fair value gap on the one. I think it's about to here. Do not go without me, please. Wow. It's so crazy how you be in a trade and that same trade goes, but it's just because you rolled your stop, all this bullshit. If I had just held this bit from get-go, I got it all the way up there. Wow. Hold my stop too aggressively. I'm busy. No, I didn't. It's only 10 a.m. It's only 10 a.m. Bro, I literally saw them driving past.
Yeah, why did I just get back on
It's
the
only 10 a.m. You gotta wait for them.
I was trying to change from whatever. It's whatever.
5 minute coming up.
The second back into that fair value gap, or even the fair value gap. We left it, and what's happened? It needs to break this. There we go. It's not holding. I swear, I'm about to lock up with just this little couple $100. I refuse to get chopped up today.
Hour coming up. Gotta break it up low then.
60 hold, be tested, and then I'll take it to the midline of the foot for an hour,
Broke the low there.
or maybe the 30-minute fair value gap. That's inside of the 4 hours. I'm gonna post this down. 96 points. I think news is gonna do that. Then we got two 4 hour fair value gaps underneath us, and 2 30-minute. I don't think it's gonna go past this complete 4 hour. I don't know. That's what my gut is telling me. It's gonna try to tap into the one beneath it. Because we got two 4 hour fair value gaps and then a daily fair value gap all down. And we got that weekly gap down there. But I don't think it's gonna go all the way down there. But I think it is gonna go into that second fair value gap. What is news supposed to be about?
I don't know. Crude oil. Just turn green on the volume profile there. They like
We
that
got a
low.
daily fair value gap above us too. We got two of them above us.
They like that low. That we just took. Ooh.
When in doubt, do not trade. When in doubt, do not trade. I'm just gonna wait. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a break of 160, 260, or a break of 369. 369 break and hold. That's a buy. 260 break and hold. That's a sell. What are you looking at?
I'm in the sell, but I'm about to cut it. About to cut it here.
If it stays below, it's not above it. And if it stays below 293, I like it still.
I'm giving away profit. Holy shit! Or not like I'm in trades that are really doing me good, but I'm just giving it away. Like it took that low there. They didn't take something off. Like holy shit, bro. Why didn't I take something off? The buyers are liking that low. They're loving that low. Off that fair value gap on the 15, you hour coming up. Maybe. Mm-hmm.
Look at how the candle look on the 30-minute. That's why I'm not touching it. It's like a big, it's got two big wicks. Well, not too big on the bottom. But it's like an indecision candle.
Sure. Hour looks nasty too. Yeah, buyers like that low right there. 100%. Hour and 30 seconds. I'll wait for that. Yeah, love that low. That's so crazy. That is so crazy, man. Boom. I need to like never ever do that again. Like never ever do that again. Like these trades are panning now. I'm just giving away profit. Hour. See what it does here. What's up the fair value gap?
In the middle of a 30-minute up, are you there? I should have made me a coffee this morning.
Hmm. Hmm. How you doing over there? So we're sitting at point of control. Move lower to an hour above it. So it's kinda like indecisive right now. Which makes sense. But for some reason I just gotta wait.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We're literally still in this damn range from last night. And I gotta really just sit here and think about it. Like, we haven't moved from this area that we opened.
It's all right. I'm just gonna win the battle. Seriously.
And we're right at that 4 hour break. The 4 hour break is at 3:17. Like it broke to the upside, and then it's like it's retesting right now. But I don't know if it's gonna hold it. Trying to wait and see what news comes through. And then I sleep there.
Red on the tape. Just bleeding. Whoa.
Special practice for
No, man. Just waiting.
Well, where is the first percent of fair value gap? Do we even have one? I don't even think I marked it. All right, let's get rid of this 3 minute.
Where's my levels at? I'm about to use the bathroom, honestly.
First presented fair value gap. There you are. I'm forgetting about you sometimes. Um,
Yeah, and I'm still not touching any of this. Just chopping.
Anything.
Just literally chopping. I need to pick a side.
That was a quick little 44. I knew it was about to go top it. I couldn't just leave it open.
Wow. Wow.
What?
Just a lot of selling going on.
There I go. Why didn't I hold that position? Oh my gosh, Erica, bro. Let's go.
9:30 or 10:30 coming up. It's the next news event. Let's have that 1 minute for everybody got. Don't lie, bro. Wish there's some tea at the lows. It's just coming down now. E15 coming up. E15 coming up here. E15. E5. Don't know what's going on here. Shopping. Top under control.
Right back tapping that 4 hour break again at 317. Mm.
There's not much going on. Slow volume. Straight chest or something.
There we go. So push up there. Yes. So,
Well, I want to crack that low there. I wouldn't be opposed to it. I want to see how it breaks that low. Won't lie to you. We got news at 10:30, so.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, something anything. What song coming about? Got news in 6 minutes.
I want to see you take that high, high at
Above
362.
or 360 or something.
Yeah, 362. Yeah, I want to see you take that swing high and then melt from there. Back into that 5-minute fair value gap. That's my only setup. Back into that 5-minute fair value gap, and then there's sellers right there, and that would trap buyers if it's a short. Just gonna set up. Even though I'm still playing a range, though, that's the only drawback behind this. The drawback behind this is that I'm playing a range. Like I could be getting chopped up here, but I think I'm willing to take it. I don't think I mind too much, just cause. Yeah, we'll see though. I play by ear, honestly. Get ready to take that high then. Actually, hold on. There are a couple buyers right here at this level. I don't know. Yeah, buyers are starting to pick up a bit. I like the setup just because this doesn't look clean. It doesn't look strong. This looks stronger.
What time for you this about?
1 minute.
Oh, I'm looking at 30 seconds. Oh my goodness. So on the 4 hour, it broke and then it retested with this candle and pushed off to the upside. I think that's what's messing up my bias because the 4 hour is showing me a buy, but 30 minute is showing me a sell. Like they're not cohesive right now. It's driving me nuts.
30 minutes shows you a sell?
Yeah.
Interesting.
As long as it's below 344. That was that break. It has to get above it and stay. Go right back in that first for value gap.
I don't know if I like my trade idea anymore. I don't know if I like my trade idea anymore. Higher time frame does look like a buy. I can't lie to you.
You said what?
The higher time frame does look like a buy.
Doesn't the 4 hour looks like a buy? Like it broke and retested to the upside. The 30-minute broke and retested to the downside, but now this new 30-minute candle. I don't know. It has to stay below 344 for me. For the first sell. Even if it wake up or stuff, I just needed to come back down. Maybe after this 15-minute candle. We're right back in that first and third value gap. These cars is loud today. Now 30 minutes showing me a cell. Well, it always was. So. Tap the midline of the first presented for rounded out.
I'll take that high there.
Hold above 353. But if we can hold 353 and we test off of that, then I'll be looking at a. Okay.
I don't like my trade idea anymore.
Oh, really?
It just doesn't seem. It looks stronger to the upside than it does to the downside.
Ooh.
Oh, we took it on ES. That's Bear System T. I don't know. We'll see. Let's let it do its thing. Yes, looks weaker though. 100%. Oh yeah, we're stacking up sell loaders right there. I might just hop in this early. Really wanted to take in that high. Yeah, we just broke. So just flushed in. Damn, what do I do? I really wanted to take that high. I don't know. Whatever. I'll just wait. Point of control just moved up higher too. Wow. 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 You guys get a little excited here. Put me up back up there. Stop everyone out that just got in that long. Then flush. Especially some tea. E5. That's about to go, bro. Let me stop playing with myself. $5 looks nice. Oh well. Really wanted to take that high. Are we? We're gonna take it here. Push up. I mean, I just want to get in, bro. Thank God I was being patient. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Dang is shitty.
Come on. Minute. Wix is going down. Hey. Wow. Wix is going down. That's not good. It's not bullish, bro. What am I saying right now? It's not bullish. We have not been getting any type of bullish momentum, and we're going down. I think my thesis is wrong, bro. I mean, we could like bounce, but shit. I don't know. But this is not played out at all. Ugh, my thesis could be wrong. Oh, QQQ. I could be wrong, bro. Wow.
You think afternoon will be better?
I don't know. Maybe.
I feel like the move you're looking for will probably come. If it don't come around 11, it'll probably come like the afternoon. Second is showing me like it wants to go down.
Yeah.
It's below that 344 too, which is my, if it's beneath there, it's a sell on my 30-minute.
Yeah,
It's just not dropping the way I want it to drop. I want to see something there though. I want to see like some pressure. There we go. And just hold it. Like when you start pushing, just continue.
This is unfortunate, bro. And then bleeding on the tape now. Ugh, I really want to wait for my setup, but I might just FOMO in. I don't know.
There it is. After I just locked my phone. Are you serious? Okay. We're right back at that 4-hour breaking rate. So why?
Should be 5 minutes.
You are so correct. I I feel like when it's chopping like this, you got to be on a smaller time frame and just scalp. This is driving me nuts. We're just in the same range.
I'm still looking for this to take the high, but it's not trying to do it. If it could take the high, bro. That one high. If it could take that one high, I'll be in there 100%. Really
I don't
don't
know if
want
it's
to
gonna
FOMO
take
into this.
that long.
Really don't want to FOMO into this. Or I don't know, like I don't want any other entry other than that, honestly. Like, cause that's where it looks good on the what's this called, the volume profile.
Yeah.
That one minute candle looks amazing. Wow, that'll be unfortunate because we're basically holding point of control at 337.
If we break 314, I don't think we're gonna go back up to the high.
This is unfortunate. Oh well.
314 is a downward break for it's the second break. The first one was 344 in a 30-minute, and then the next one is 314. Okay.
A little red on the heat map.
We just happened a little pullback. I don't always know what to say. Love this.
It's just bearish for some cheese. Like that's why it gives me the idea that I should just get in when it gives me like some type of entry. But the way it's jumping around, it's picking up. To me, it's picking up energy. Maybe new 15 right here. I might give it to us. New 15. Come on. Go up to that high. Ah! It's so hard being patient for this entry. This should run. It's always setups, but Lord, that'd be unfortunate. not breaking it. Wow. Ugh. Trend line about to
I see
break.
this pushing.
Trend line about
I'm
to break.
praying you get your high. I don't think you're gonna get it though.
I don't think so either, but we'll see. The trend line, if it breaks
Like,
the trend line, gives me a fair value gap, I'll just get in there, but I really wanted that high.
I feel like if it breaks that high, looking at it from like a 30-minute, if it break that high, that would be like showing a buy.
Almost right. Because the bear system T, already tapped the 5 minute, respecting it. Yeah.
Gosh, that part as well. 314 is my next break of structure area on the 30-minute. I think I might get it wrong.
That's a real discount. You understand me? That's a real discount if I was to get in off that level. That's why I'm really like only
I
trying
feel
to
like it's
focus
been
on.
up there so many times.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's been up there so many times. So if it goes up there now, that would be like a real discount. So that's why I don't want to get in anywhere else because you know that would
Yeah,
just be a
340
logical basis.
was my first entry area. Let's see, 360, at 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 wicks up there on a 30-minute.
Green
If
on the
it go
tape.
up there, that would be a. I'm kind of.
Green on the tape, respecting that trend line. Like a part of me thinks this is a buy, just following trend, but holy shit, like I don't know anymore at this point. Just because the tape looks bearish. Like I don't see any type of bullishness being done. So
So when you say the tape is bearish, is that like on a certain time frame, or is it just the same? Just it's
it's the
just for
same.
the
It's the same.
day or moment, or
It's the same. Like there's no time frame. It's just the same. Yeah. Or it's just order flow analysis. That's apparently that's what it's called. Great. We'll be back to test that fair value gap on the 5 minute once again. That honestly might not be a bad entry, but I really wanted to take 362. There we go, new 5. If it I want it to immediately respect. If it doesn't, then I'll just close it immediately. Just spent $150 on that trade idea. Tap that 5 minute again. Would
I'm
be
back in the first position too.
yep.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Here we go for the break of the high. Come on. Here we go. Yep. Oh man. This is about to be a killer setup. Right on the tape and we're going higher. Holy shit, I might get in right here. About to break the high. Come on. Red on the tape. Come on, give it to me.
Give me my entry. Give me my entry. Give it to me. No. It's me. No. No. Ah.
Wait, you about to get it.
Ah. Give me my entry. Wow. I'm literally struggling whether or not I should FOMO into this or I should just take it here because it did just take a high. Holy shit. Here we go. Come on.
Oh, we broke out of the first presented for value gap and we just tapped into it.
Give me my high. Give me my high. Right here. Give it to me. Could be a buy, honestly. I wouldn't be surprised if it stopped me out. But yeah, I'm just going based off what we've done on the day. That's all. Holy shit, bro. Come on. For the break of the high, thank you very much. For the break, give me my fill. Holy shit. There we go. For the break of the high, give me my fill. Holy shit, bro. It's not trying to give it to me. What is this? Is this ES? What are we doing on ES?
There we go. Oh, you didn't get in?
Don't piss me off.
Oh my gosh.
Don't piss me off. 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 Respect that. Yes, respect the fair value gap. Go up higher. Take the high. Good job. Holy shit. Come on. Ah, the FOMO is real, bro. The FOMO is real. Here we go for the break of the high. For the break of the mother freaking high. Respect to that fair value gap. But I wouldn't be surprised if I got stopped out of this one. Like, would not be surprised. For the break of the high here. Where the sellers at? Oh no.
I don't know either. They out there minding, hey, wow, minding this one.
And that. Five coming up right on the tape. I don't like how the sellers just disappeared after that. Let's see though. New 15, new 5 coming up. I don't like this trade. I wouldn't be surprised if I got stopped out of this. I wanted to immediately reject, like how I did that one time. Tap that fair value gap. Right on the tape though. Ooh. We're not going lower though.
30 seconds.
Here we go, new 5.
Oh.
Gotta be the high here. This has to be the high here.
Right here. I like the rejection I'm seeing on this 30-second. There we go.
Right on the tape. Holy shit. That has to take me back down at least. There we go.
There you go.
At least down the point of control. At least down the point of control.
This shit is so crazy, bro. Life is crazy the way life works.
Bleeding on the tape, man.
There we go.
Bleeding on the tape.
It
Green, but we're
keeps
not.
catching itself at 353. I'm not liking that. I'm not liking that at all.
Bro, we are bleeding on the tape once again. They don't like that price. That's what the sellers are literally up
I
there.
see it 353.
Yeah, look like it might get it.
350. Shit. It just keeps looking there and reject there.
Bro, we are melting on the tape. Holy shit.
Damn, it just rejected it again. Why is it rejecting 353?
Green on the tape there. Maybe not. They like that price. Might have to get out of this. Because I wanted that to break the low there, didn't.
What time is it?
Right before the new hour.
We got to 11:10, honestly.
Right on the tape again. But it needs to break this low this time.
If I could start a new hour, hopefully it like make up his mind. I don't like that. I don't like that candle. Hold on a second. Come on, finish. Let's see if it'll break and hold 353 now. It gets time now.
New hour. Should have went by now if this was going up. Should have went by now, but just because it's a new hour, that's why I'm getting a little nervous.
I think it's gonna fall on this new hour. It might just let go. It might try to do like one little quick shoot up, but then I think it's gonna like just release. Longest taking low 350 or 365. There we go. I'm gonna push. There we go. Push. No, no, no. Stay below there.
Tap the 5-minute gap there. But I was red on the tape. I'm more confident in the trade now. We tapped the 5-minute gap. We gotta disrespect it. Kind of like that. Red on the tape. We are bleeding. Let's take it to break this trend line for freaking out loud. Maybe back to point of control. top to bottom of that fair value. Yeah, top to bottom of that fair value gap on the 5.
Mm-hmm.
Broke the fair
There we
value gap.
go. I want
Red
to
on
see
the
it break
tape.
344.
Come on. We gotta show some momentum here. You Howard. Can't bottom wick here on the 5. This cannot be a bottom wick on the 5. I've been unfortunate. Check the low again.
Come on. Break 344. Oh, we closed inside of that? Yeah.
I gotta pack this straight up. Can't lie. It's holding that 5-minute gap. Fuck. It's
Isn't
holding
it
that.
profit?
Yeah, but it's just. I gotta pack this straight up here.
Oh,
Yeah, take
just
something
no
off.
share for
3.
something.
3. I'm silent. I should buy.
I want to see a stable at 348. The wick. I want to see a stable at okay, it's just tap that fair value gap. First was a different value gap midline all over again. And rejecting it.
Fair value gap up there on the 1. I want to.
There we go. Stay in the trade. I don't think
Red on
it's
tape,
gonna go
bro.
down. We just broken 344 on the 32nd.
Red on the tape. Holy moly.
You're still in it, right?
Yep.
Okay. Where's your TP?
Swing low. 273. I want to break that trend line, and we're about to test the point of control here. And I don't know.
If we break 314, that's a break of structure on the 30-minute. So keep that in mind.
Red on
because
the
it might break it
52.
quick, and if it break that, I'm positive like it's gonna go down to the 4-hour midline.
Bro, we are
Fair
red
value
on the
gap.
tape. Yeah, I think that's. I'm looking at that level too. We just have the point of control. It's red on tape. Holy shit. Couple big orders. Oh, we're red on the tape. What the freak? Buyers are. Oh, what? We're taking profit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Tap the point of control, but still red on the tape. But we're not going lower. I need to melt here. New minute and 15 seconds. We need to melt here though. About to test that trend line. Red on the tape. What the fuck? ES is cracking these lows beautifully. I might have just caught the high. What the fuck?
Mm-hmm. I want to see it break 314.
Can we break these lows? I'm gonna take some off here.
Yeah, I will definitely take some off.
That's mine. Holy
314,
shit.
there go 314.
314, yep. 314, and then for, oh my god. Okay, I need to think. It's just because we're red on the tape and we're just still showing red on the tape. No type of.
There it goes.
There it goes, 305.
Now we're falling out of the 30-minute for the value gap.
U5 coming up.
Beautiful.
U5
Right
coming
after
up.
value gap, now I want to see it break 260.
Ugh. This is a break of the trend line here. So we broke the trend line. About to take sell side at 273.
We got 273.
New 5 coming up right here.
I see.
New 5. Can we get the break of the low? Still right on the
I definitely
tape.
want to see break it alone because I want to see it break 260, which is another break of structure on the 30-minute. And that's right above the 4-hour FBG.
Still right on the tape. Sir, and then look at the seller stepping in on volume profile. Good job. So this place should hold here. I need this to tank for crying out, but freaking out loud. I wanted to go back into that 4-hour gap after it breaks 273 and it holds. Let's keep it going. Why not? It's slowing down here a little
I
bit.
think it might. Yeah, I'm about to say it might do like a little pull back.
Still red on the tape though.
If we do pull back, I would want to see it touch 314. I don't want to see it close above it or. I want to see it close to the 314 though too. We got 9 minutes left.
New minute. And then if we tap that fair value gap on the 1, I might enter in for like maybe like 1. This might be a winner here. I don't know. Is it? Whoa, we are melting on ES. ES took the low. What the freak? Why are we not taking the low on NASDAQ? That's bullish. SMT is freak. I'm about to close this. If we don't start melting now, I'm about to close this. ES is melting.
I would definitely put my stop.
Yeah, let me roll my stop
right
up.
above 314. I don't know where your stop is, but I would definitely put a stop above 314.
Why aren't we melting?
Recap those 17.
Oh my god, this is about to piss me off. We literally broke the low, took all the lows out on ES, but we didn't take it on NAS. Okay. I'm about to roll my stop aggressively. If we starts pulling back up, I'm about to cut it.
I will be like on a 1 minute above the white candle, my stop will be right there because I'm a tight, I keep my stop tight. Look, no joking. I wouldn't be stopped out right now. Boom.
My stop is below the 50%.
They're gonna have 314 touch. I want it.
My stop is above the 50%.
Okay.
My stop is above the 50%. Right on the tape. We might drop here. My stop is above the 50% of that candle of the fair value gap.
Got you.
Right on the tape though.
That's like right above the 314.
Yeah, 318 is about to get stopped out here. Let's see. I want to see it continue because yes,
Tapped out.
It's all good. Still back in that 1 minute fair value gap. If it's supposed to go lower, it will hold here. But if not, then oh well.
I'm happy you guys were trade.
That was from start to finish beautiful. Beautiful.
I'm so happy for you.
Thanks. That was a beautiful trade. I mean like the high, took the high, came up there, boom, broke the low. I really wish it took that low out there.
Okay, it just tapped into that 30-second fair value gap. It tapped the 30-minute midline. I don't know why I wasn't just looking at that. It just tapped it and is rejecting it, kind of. This candle's not indecisive.
I kind of want to get back in this, but I need to be patient because I just got out of the trade.
Don't chase.
Because we're in that 1 minute fair value gap.
That's why you look for your next setup. Like, okay, if it does this, I'll get in. If it does this, I'll get in.
Yeah, I mean, we're back in that fair value gap, but if that holds, then that's going lower. I wanted to go lower, but I just didn't want it. I wanted it to respect the 50%. I didn't want it to because we broke. We broke all the lows on ES, and we did it on NASDAQ. That is bullish motherfucking SMT. And I don't know. I don't know what that means. Let me check the VIX.
The midline of the 30-minute fair value gap. This might be a buy.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, because that I've never seen bullish SMT that strong before. So this could be a buy, but we're still showing red on the tape. I'm gonna have to be patient. We tapped another 1 minute fair value gap. Tapping point of control. I don't know, bro.
I would definitely be patient.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be looking for no sell until like it break and hold at 314. Like I needed to hold 314 on a 30-minute. That's the break of structure.
314. Yeah. Back in the 1 minute fair value gap. Another one. I'm surprised it came back up here. That's point of control too. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know, bro. Honestly, I don't know. I have to wait. I don't know. Like, I want to say that. Oh wait, there's a 5 minute gap there. I didn't even notice that. I want to say. Yeah, we just took that high out. I entered a 5 minute fair value gap in a 1 minute fair value gap.
We got a 3 minute fair value gap above us as well.
But then that bullish SMT is not it, bro. It's just
3 minute overlap to the bottom half of the first presented.
Power is still wicking lower, bro. Wicking higher? Oh yeah, wicking lower. That's unfortunate, bro. I really want this to go lower, but if not, then I just gotta do what I gotta do. Did I take some off? Or yeah, I did. Right?
I said, did you? I don't know. I was gonna ask you that, but I didn't want to like
I rolled my
interrupt
stop. I
you.
don't know if I
You
took
were
some
like
off.
trying to focus. I think you did at 3:14, didn't you?
Let me check. No, I actually just no,
You didn't.
I just held the entire thing. That's pretty
Okay.
stupid. That's pretty dumb.
Like
Well,
rejection
not
was
really. I like
3 minutes.
the I don't know, whatever. Anyway, it's rejecting a little bit. And that 1 minute fair value gap. Let me clean up my chart a bit. It won't be mine after you.
Why if I'm trying to figure out like why is all the loud cars out today?
I'm sorry, y'all. It's throwing you off.
Huh?
I said it's throwing you off.
No, it's just loud for no apparent reason.
Yeah, man. I don't know. Like this is just the definition of gay. Like I don't know. It's just
I'm mad at you.
like
Oh man.
I don't. Yeah. Yeah, it's just the definition. That should have went or done something a little bit more clean. I got out that position. I mean, I don't know. If I was in this right now and still holding and my stop was all the way up there, I'd be kind of upset. And
I think you did a good trade. Like you did like a perfect trade.
yeah, that was a really good trade. I'm
No,
proud.
like you caught it at the top and then got out at the bottom. Like, are you serious?
Did I?
You caught like a whole leg. Like,
I mean, I guess, but I just
no, oh my goodness, here we go. My goodness.
no, but like what I'm saying, right, is that I'm a little bit over break even on the day. I took like
Yeah, that sucks. But it could be worse. You be red on the day.
yeah, I'm not mad, but it's just unfortunate fact that that could have.
I locked out my account before that move and caught it on the damn ineligible account.
Something about that ineligible that just makes you trade better.
I just freaking locked out and didn't catch none of it. I feel like I was gonna get chopped up. That's why I just went ahead and locked it out.
It's still
Multiple
chopping.
games. I ain't got time to play.
It's still chopping. Like what are we saying? It's still chopping. Look at it. Look at it going back all the way up there. I'm so happy I put my stop. So happy I rolled my stop.
We're tapping into that 30 for 3 minutes. Now we're back at the first percentage per value gap again.
Yeah, I think I'm bullish now. Just cause like that didn't break. And then we had bullish S&T. So I think I'm bullish here. Like that didn't make any sense. That should have the way ES broke, that should have broke too, but it did not at all. That means there's buyers holding that price up. So and it's true, there's buyers down here at that low.
We just rejected that first percentage per value gap nicely. Like
you talking about let me make sure we're talking about the same one.
What candle was that?
The low is like 347, right?
The low of the first percentage?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, it happened on the 932 candle.
Yeah, I'm saying that.
That rejection was nice on that.
I wanted that to break the trend line and keep going lower, but it did not. That was a strange place to reject from. Whatever.
Something's there that we're not seeing. It took the low at 296.
Yeah, that fair value gap is mitigated. So
I gotta take everything in the house. I gotta pee. Damn. Look around, come back outside. Will never be out here. There you go.
I'm actually surprised that trade panned out like the way it did. A little surprised there. A little surprised. I got in at 363. Holy shit.
Oh.
I got out 317. That was an okay trade.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I took out that low there. Oh well. Nothing much you can do about it. Yeah. I think I might take a break. I might be done on the day or something. Well, look at that respect, man. But now it's like I don't even want to take this trade anymore. Oh well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Take a
think
break.
yeah, it's already 11:18 and we're still in this range, which clearly is showing that we're chopping on the 15 on everything, like showing that we're chopping. So what I'm gonna do is put a alerts at these lows and put an alert at the high. If it breaks it, then we can talk. If not, go fuck yourself.
What's it? Yeah, look, already. I'm gonna take a break too. I'm gonna eat something. I ain't eat all day yesterday.
Why you saying take a break? Didn't you lock out?
Uh-uh.
Didn't you lock out? What you mean take a break?
I did. Because I'm still gonna look at the market. I just walked out because I think I want some toast. Why do you leave these chips open? I like out that I want to get back profit.
Oh,
I want to get back out of my profits. And I felt like I was gonna get reckless, so
okay, makes sense.
and I was kind of content. Like I was content with what I made.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, okay. And then I got thrown off because the people from Top Step texted me in the middle of my trade too.
What they say?
And I was typing them. They were like, oh, yeah, we charged you. And then we gave you the free reset. And I'm like, but I still don't have the combine that you charged me $100 for. Like, I don't have it.
Did you get it sorted out?
I'm waiting for them to say something. Like, they charged me, I think the combine said it was already 5 or 6 days into it. I texted them last week. Like, I don't have it. I got your money, everything. I don't got the account. Don't even want it, but I mean, I'll take it because I feel like to cancel it. So I guess I got to deal with that. And then it's like the promotional. So the promotional was the $75. Remember that one?
Yeah, like
They
the
charged me. Yeah. So it was like, oh yeah, you got a promotional. We charged you $100. Yeah, I see that, but that's not the issue. The issue is where's the account?
please take my bishop. Please take my dumbass. Ah, you dumbass. Oh man, resign, bro. Resign.
Eat some kiwi.
Resign, buddy. You suck. You're an idiot. Thank you. 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 Like I said, well played. Like I said, well played.
We got them tomorrow.
Was that a brilliant? Oh, it was. It probably was a brilliant. Let me see. Brilliant. It wasn't a brilliant. Wow, whatever.
I didn't even mean to get the damn golden kiwi. Whatever, something.
Brilliant. I took my bishop because if I had taken, so if he didn't take, I would have just taken and taken that. He'd been fucked regardless. That was brilliant, bro. What are you saying?
I'm not saying anything. I'm not talking new, but
I got an 89% accuracy.
and what?
Yeah, one blunder. Yeah, that was a blunder, big blunder, big blunder. And chess.
I'm guessing that's good.
What?
I'm still learning chess. I gotta figure out some shit. My mind's been everywhere else.
Happy I break even on the day, but I need to do freaking better. I need to make a little less than 1,000. I think I could do it, but
You can do it. Even if it don't come today, it might come tomorrow.
you know, the market is not giving it to me, so I'm not even trying to get you. Like, you could just you see how this didn't go anywhere.
What, the market?
Yeah, the market. You see how it didn't go anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And you know how you were asking me like, oh, I don't know if it's like we knew that this wasn't going anywhere for the longest, and we were just like hoping that it went somewhere. Like every time it did like a little jolt, but it didn't. At the end of the day, that's how you know it's consolidation. You know what I'm saying? We like
right. And that's the thing. I always see consolidation like when I'm already in it. Like I either got chopped up a little bit or like or like my balance stay around the same. Where it's like, okay, I'm losing 1 to 200 and I'm making 1 to 200, and it's like back and forth and it's not really going anywhere. But like I be wanting to like find a way to see it before.
What you mean? You just like when 930 opened and we were trying to let it go to the high and then it went all the way to the low. After that, right after it took the high and then came back down and hit that fair value up in the 15 or the 30 minute, whichever one that you were calling out. Once it does that, it's made a range. So unless it breaks out one of those ranges, then we'll consolidate it. So you gotta like keep that in mind. Like, okay, once it breaks it made a high, it made a low. Now we're inside that range. And then once we're inside the range, it has to break out of that range in order it to not be considered consolidation.
So you do your ranges like after the near open?
No, I'm just looking at it like we were literally watching it, and then it took the high.
I knew it was a range weekday because like last night, I'm like, we're still in that crap from last night. We haven't.
Yeah, and that's also true. That's also true. But then when we opened, right? We opened and then we wicked up and then wicked down, technically, and then it looked like it was going somewhere, but it didn't. So once we start trading back into that range, do you know what I'm talking about, or am I confusing?
Yeah, probably confused me, and it might be because I'm not in front of it. I'm cutting it in favor for me. Well,
okay. Well,
I'm cutting me
so
kiwi real quick.
Okay, so today we broke.
Because I wasn't at the 30 minute. I wasn't looking at like the smaller time.
It's not the smallest time frame. Okay, so now we're breaking up. Now we're breaking up. It's okay, whatever. I don't even. That was just like a.
Right, but I can't see what you're talking about. But I have to go look at it.
Okay, so imagine, right? Imagine. So okay. So there was buy side, and then below us there was a fair value gap. We opened, we took buy side, and then We didn't continue. We went all the way back down to the fair value gap below us. So now that creates a range, like that creates a range high and a range low, like for the session so far. So unless it breaks out of the low and continues, then obviously we're trending lower. But until then, we're chopping, technically. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I hope that actually makes sense.
It did. You're like, I don't believe you on this. It did. I'm just.
That's how I know. Because when I was taking my trades, I had that in mind. I'm like, yeah, we're like we could be chopping here, so I gotta be careful.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta be careful. So, but I didn't mind taking it because the risk was small. Like, okay, that setup that I just took, it was like, okay, I'm risking $150. I don't mind losing that. But and if I get chopped up, oh well, you know. But I almost did. Like, if I had held this joint all the way to the low, I would have gotten stopped out right here. You know? But I just managed my risk appropriately. You gotta play the chop a little bit. That's another reason why I was like, I'm not willing to take it past when I wanted to take a sell, and I was like, oh yeah, let me be patient. Because that's another reason. Because if I had taken it at anywhere in between in that middle, I would have gotten chopped up because it's consolidation. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say.
I do. I don't even see how you. I'm still amazed at how you put top. I didn't see that. Like, I wouldn't have gone. Like, I mean, wait for it to break this and then catch it.
Because it's consolidating. That's what I'm saying. That's the whole like chop. So when it's chopping, the best way to play chop is take trades at the highs and the lows. That's the best way to play it. Otherwise, you're just gonna get chopped up in between. So when I noticed it was consolidating, I was like, yeah, let me take a trade above this high, and that's the only way I'll take this trade because anything else is like you're playing the range or whatever, or playing the middle, and that's dangerous because you could get chopped up. So that's why I said what I said. And now we're about to take buy side. And we look like we're breaking up here. And that's that bullish SMT holding. So which makes sense. It's about to be 11:30. I'm gonna finish this game. I'm not like too impressed by price action right now. Yeah, a little bit of buying right here. A little bit of sellers at the top there. So
Yeah. If anything, if I do get into a buying, I come back and reach that 361.
take, no. Take, no. Take, no. I'm just gonna cancel.
My hands were full because I had to take this in when I went in. And then I had to carry it back out. And with my plate. Just shut it off. No. Hmm? And I didn't. She rolled past and turned around and worked. Everybody worked.
She took that high. The sell's right there at the high, so see how it does when it takes the high. A lot of sellers there at the high. You know?
I don't see my phone in my pocket.
Yeah.
I don't like range days.
Right.
They don't like me either.
I took a couple of dumb trades, but I don't know. Overall.
You said what?
So I took maybe one or two dumb trades. But,
Pardon? Oh, shit.
like like one or two dumb trades. Some of them were like instigated by FOMO a little bit, but overall, I think it wasn't too bad. I'm still got the PM session. I hate, bro. Why is it every time I'm off? Like I never have an easy day. Like, I just want to have like an easy done. Like, uh,
Because I realized, I'm not even joking, I realized Wednesdays are shit in the market.
right?
So I'm like, Wednesdays always do my worst day. And I think it's because it is like a shitty day. It's hump day.
Shit, something. Is that why?
It's hump day. It's like the slow day of the week is that one that drags. It's mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. But yeah,
I don't like to believe in all that. But it is true though. These Wednesdays, I have noticed that. You know,
they're shitty. It's
yeah.
like if you're at work. Like Wednesdays are shitty. Wednesdays are the days that drag. Wednesdays that everybody can get. Besides Monday. Because Monday's first day of the thing. But Monday in the markets do have a profit. I don't like Wednesdays. I love Fridays. Tuesday and Thursday are alright.
Take a
I
pawn,
love
take back.
Fridays. Huh?
I'm just coming chess. How do I play this Emmanuel? Do I take this? Do I take this? No, 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 no. Attacked. No, no, no. If I go back, no, no, I don't care. Don't want to give up my knight. Pieces aren't developed. I'm just gonna go back. Just gonna go back. This pawn structure is kind of all over the place. You know? Oh, why not? Why not pin my queen with it? Why don't you? I mean, I could have checked my. That's fine. Take, take, take. I don't like the odds of that. I don't like that. I like that. That probably could have been the dumbest play ever. No, no, no. Ah, yes, it is. That's the dumbest play I've ever made.
Oh wait, you're not in your are you in your chat?
I'm sorry?
Are you in your chat on this one?
Oh, Nate. I think Nate is busy.
Okay, it's been so quiet. Oh.
Has it? I don't know what bro's doing. You think he's busy a little bit?
So you don't like golden kiwi either? It's just
What?
You don't like golden kiwi?
What's that?
Hmm?
What is that?
Okay, so golden kiwi is just a yellow kiwi. It tastes like a banana. It's so weird. It tastes like a banana. It's yellow. And it's called a golden kiwi. And the regular kiwis are green.
Okay. So,
I think it's just like a kiwi that's not ripened all the way yet or something, but it tastes like a banana. Like it has like a banana taste. I don't know.
I don't hate kiwis.
Do you like banana?
I don't hate kiwis, but I do like it's just sour and it's like not the best. It's not like I don't care for. Like it's not something I'll be like, oh wow, I want to eat some kiwis. Like, it's just okay.
Like the golden ones are sweeter though. That's what you know about. I love fruit. I love fruit and vegetables.
So what's this?
Yeah, it definitely is.
I got to think. Hold on. Still here. Why did you just do that? Okay. See? I'll take that. What's going on here? Checkmate. Yay. Woo! That was a close one. That was a close one. Brilliant. I just ignored all my. I wanted to take this tonight because I didn't want any dumb, stupid, like, I didn't want any dumb, like, for any, like, if you were to come down here, let's say if I ignored it, and this is about to break higher. If I ignored it and then came here, let's say, yeah, exactly, look at the machine telling me to take it. So I checked, boom, came up here. Now, if I had ignored it and came here, right, you probably would have came here, did that, annoyed me, came here, and then obviously come here, very annoying, making one, right? Exactly. Done. Boom. Then, yeah, that's checkmate, literally. So that's why I wanted to take that night. I was like, yeah, that looks dangerous. Came there. White was up, actually. Did that. And yeah, that looked dangerous. So I took. And then what happens? Drops on the foot. Takes back. Done. Right. And then I take A4. So many main patterns. From there, main one. There. There. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here. Then if he takes, I'm just gonna have the center, and then go up there with my and then go up there with my go up there with my queen, and then yes, I have a free bishop now. So he basically has to use his knight, or he resigned. How unfortunate. Set the center, no problem. Right. Matter of fact, let me. Just, yeah. Okay, good. All right. So I'm just going to
Go here. Takes. I will take back. Take back. So now I'm up on development. I go here. That's fine. Go here. Castle. Oh, this is beautiful. Looking at the queen too. She's by the castle. That's fine. What's that? Yeah. Trade the knights. Get his knight out the way. Doesn't work. Nice, protecting his queen as well. I wanna break this up here, but then I also let's do this. Let's do that. You know, get the pawn structure up here. Nice pawn structure. My bishops control this diagonal. Okay, castle. I want to get my other bishop in the game now. I'll take that out the way for crying out loud. And I'll take with this so I can, yep, this is a beautiful move. This is such a beautiful move. If he doesn't move back, if he decides to take, I'm going to take. Yep. Defended. And then now my rook is on this open file, looking at his queen, at his king. And now it's about to be hell's paradise for him. So how you can defend it, there's a couple different ways. But I'm just going to move here. Just preemptively do that. And start moving my pawn down this aisle so he can't block it. As a matter of fact, I can even put this bishop right here. This guy's in trouble. He needs to start taking my pieces. He needs to start taking my pieces.
Just trying.
He needs to start taking my pieces here. Okay, so now he moves. That's smart. I won't lie, that's a little smart. But that doesn't stop. Well, kind of does. Because then now, oh no, it's defended. So now, okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to move this pawn up here. So you can't defend. Takes back. That's fine. So now he's trying to defend it. Oh man, this guy's in trouble. Mate in one there. If he doesn't defend it properly. That was a nice move. But that also leaves his pawn open. Takes his pawn. And then that's another free pawn here I can take. Defend this bishop that's not defended. But behind these pawns, my rook is still staying, giving some mating opportunities. Okay. I kind of want to look at this. So if I take here, I was gonna activate his queen. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna attack his. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna attack his bishop. Get him out the way. Oh, that's dumb. Wait, that was not. That was a good move. That was a good move. um, that was a good move. Damn, I don't got time for this. I can move this here, and then hopefully he doesn't attack. So that means my queen is trapped. I can go here. He decides to attack. I can go. I can go here. I can go here, here, here. No, I can't even go here. My queen is trapped. I can go here. If he decides to roll his, I can go here. Okay. So boom. Let's now go here. Wait, hold on. Think. What am I doing? I moved this. He can't defend this. Yes, he can. What am I doing? Hold on. If I takes, check. Wait a minute. Let's go here. Oh, this might be a beautiful move. Holy moly, this might be a beautiful move. Takes. I mean, sure, you could do that. Takes. Hold on. No, I messed up. Ah, come on, think. Ah, takes. But then if he takes, it's gonna activate his queen. I don't want his queen in the game. Takes. Okay, I gotta think. Takes. So takes. Takes. No. Takes. No. It doesn't work. It's just sacrificing a bishop for nothing. So takes. No. I don't see it. That was a mother freaking good move, bro. Holy moly. Alright. What I'm gonna do? I gotta make up my mind here. I gotta take this knight out the way. No, it's gonna free up my. Holy shit. Let's just go. Let's just go back here. Let's just go back. I need to get my queen out the way. He's trying to break up the center now. That's fine. No, I can't have that. Go here. Take back. Oh my fucking god, bro. Ugh. Whatever, bro. You win. Whatever. Bro, you win, bro. You win. That was a good game. That was a really good game. That was a really good game. Whatever. That was a really good game. Erica,
Yes.
what you doing?
I am reading, looking at the market.
You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about now, though?
What?
Like, you see how 9:30 we made a high, and then 9:45 we made that low, but we haven't broken either side yet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
That's what you're talking about?
that's what I'm saying. Like, once it does something like that, I know that we're chopping. So whenever I'm like trading, I have that in the back of my mind, like, yeah, we're chopping, we're not breaking either side. But there's like sometimes it could do that and then break. So like, that's what I was thinking it was gonna happen when I took that one trade, but it didn't. So that's what it is.
I get what you're saying. I was saying I assumed it was probably going to be chopping from like the mid session into free market because London around like 5, it took Asian loans, and then our free market took London high. And I was like, okay, I don't think we're really going to do anything today. And plus, we didn't have no news. And I see what you're saying with the 9:30 and 9:45. I think it's going to try to take that high now.
That's how I know. Okay, we're chopping. I shouldn't be taking trades if you were actually. Because sometimes it could chop during pre-market and all that, and then just start running, kind of like yesterday or the day before or whatever. But that doesn't mean nothing. This guy is about to give me a rook. Hold on, let me. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me see. If I go here, and he goes here, I can go here. I can go here, here, move that, boom, boom. It's a weakness. This pawn is weak. You just move that. That pawn is weak. This bishop is hanging too. Or not hanging, but it's weak. This pawn is defended. This bishop is kind of weak. But I'm about to defend it real soon. And then, damn. Oh. No. Wait. No. No. Sacrifice. Take. Move. No. Sacrifice. No. No. Let's go back. No. With that rook. I know he's gonna defend it. Only I can take this here, through here. If I go here, it's gonna take. What do you think? Here, he's not gonna take there. If I take this, he's not gonna take it there. I don't want to though. That'll be a free pawn though. That'll be a free pawn. So let's take it. Why not? Let's see if he decides to take back. If not, I'm sliding back. See if he decides to take back.
Consolidation is crazy, bro. Imagine. On use. Okay, yeah.
How long did it take you to learn chess?
I don't know. I have no idea. Then he moved. Damn. So now my play is invalidated because he moved that pawn up. Oh well. So I'm just gonna figure out a different play. I'm gonna move this pawn here, get my other bishop in play. Move this here, bishop in play. That's fine. Just gave me free material. I don't know why you did that. If you move there, you're done. Got 2 pawns now. This guy can't count. So let me move there. Go here. This pawn structure is nice though. Let me get my pawn structure up. That'd be a nice play. Yeah, this pawn structure is pretty nice. My king is defended. I don't know. Six. Well, you should learn, bro, so you can have something else to do during these slow markets.
I know. That's what I need. Listen, I be trying to adjust. Like, literally, I had a lot going on. This family separating, but you know.
I'm not saying yesterday. I'm just saying.
So
I'm just saying in general.
I know I'm just saying this like in general. I haven't like literally been on anything. I haven't.
Yeah.
Like yeah, I don't know. Especially when I'm really lean into it more.
Whoa.
Oh my god, I'm not trying. I don't feel like it.
A lot of, a lot of sodas at that high there. Oh, I went on time. I need a good game, bro. What's going on?
And there you go.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to learn chess?
I said I don't know.
You didn't know? I didn't hear you.
Yeah.
Why don't you think about that?
Yeah, I literally have
How
no
long is
idea.
it gonna take you, bro?
Cause I've always been like into chess since I was a kid.
Mm-hmm.
Like since I was a kid, but I never really took it seriously until recently. So yeah, maybe like maybe like 2 years. I started like 2 years ago. I took it seriously like 2 years ago. Yeah. You hear me?
Yeah. I'm not changing the record. I'm doing computer for the down. Trixie, why you following me around with your little toes? She's so lazy.
What you
Because she looking up the stairs, like she don't run up the stairs. She just like slowly walks up the stairs, like she just got out there. Why are you jumping on me? Oh, mama. Why are you breathing in my face like that? I love you, Trixie. What? Girl. Oh, you just like sneezed. You're like so close to my face. Don't do that. Are you going with me? Like, you're not going with me. I'm about to charge you. I'm about to charge you. Oh, my computer. Boy, I'm not even worried about her. She's been working there for a year now. I've been where she worked at. So I've been where she worked at. I'm not. Ain't nobody worried about Michelle. If I was really drama filled, like I know where she lives, I'm not drama filled.
I would say.
I'm not even saying it. It just seems like they're insinuating it, but was that you right here? Watch that stuff. I can't leave it out here. Come out here in that damn town and there's a people be gone. Trixie, baby, move. This girlfriend must have said, I seen your baby mama sitting outside. This shit is wild. Tricks is wild, baby. Ew. This is the only plug. Here. Come here. Go over here. Come here. Go over here. Can you see her car? I can see it from right there. I'm not, nobody checking for her, trust me. But this is the only plug on the porch. I'm not about to be the porch because she at work. Maybe she should get another job. Like the fact that you over here trying to check on me, like I'm over here. Yeah, okay. I don't know. I don't be seeing her when I'm out here. But then again, I don't be looking either. I'm on the phone. I'm on the phone. Sometimes I'll see her like when I go get the kids or something like that, but her car already be parked. I don't know. I don't know how long it's about to take. Girl, I don't fight over no ball. Huh? I'm not fighting over no ball. Ain't nobody paying no attention to her. My God. You got it. All right, let's try again. I know I'm about to leave. That's why I'm not worried about anything or something. They try to take that high. Girl, Nobody worry about Michelle. I promise you. I haven't even looked at the girl. I was sitting there when she drove by. I wasn't looking at her. I wonder if she repeating herself. Did he tell me if she drives on a public street, I'm not allowed to look forward? Are you serious? Okay. Well, that shit's right there. Like, why don't you go over there and talk to her about this? Why are you bothering me? Well, I'm happy to talk to her, but you don't gotta talk to me. I'm not worried about her. You just mind my business. I'm on here every morning. That's right. Right. So, and I said you got it. Yeah, they know about. I'm positive. 110%. So you wanna hover over me? You see her trying to take that high?
Yeah. I'm not trading it though. I'm just anxious.
I'm just watching it. See, it's about the chocolate. Hello.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell is going on over here.
Huh?
So I don't know what's going on over here.
Over where?
I don't know. He's calling her while he's in front of me. I don't know. They're texting me. And she's complaining because I'm outside. I don't know. I don't know. I don't care. I don't want around. If I wanted around, I had to around. I'm leaving. I don't know. I don't know what the other issue is. I don't know what to figure out. Leaving out of here. I just want to do something. Do you have any other news today?
At 5:40 p.m.
Um, guys. Who's still playing chess?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. Let me push.
You know what? I think I want to hear some Alex Jean. Let's do that.
Hmm?
So I think I want to hear some Alex Jean. So let's do that.
What's that? Oh, this one.
Mm-hmm. You say that you're not look at you. Oh, I just noticed that on the 30 minute it broke at 369 and then it retested it twice. I don't remember looking at so I can remember like some years is specific set up food so I don't remember
Oh my freaking god, bro.
why?
Whatever. Whatever, bro. Ever. Blunder, bro. Literally blundered that. That was such a good game. Yeah, because then that was a bad move. I don't know why I thought that was good.
That's me.
Let's see.
Okay. I need my phone though, because my question. If he's still. Bro, he is there a phone charger in the kitchen? Huh? I can't hear you. If you go upstairs, can you grab it for me?
I have no idea.
Hmm?
I didn't do nothing today, man.
I'm not gonna go. I don't even look at that. I'm talking about I'm the same. I'm walking with some shine on the sea. I gave it the guy and who knew. So yeah, it's got this.
Yo,
It was good.
say, bro.
Trade?
Nah, I haven't took a trip today.
You ain't miss nothing, man. You ain't miss anything.
I missed open.
I said you ain't miss anything, bro.
Oh, I didn't miss anything.
Yeah, you ain't miss anything. We've been pretty much shopping the entire day.
Can you grab a
Yeah.
box too?
Pretty much shopping the entire day. It's all good though.
So,
Let's go here.
yeah, with this current shop right now, I'm gonna be back in like 30 minutes.
Yeah. Fuck! Why did I do that? Oh. Okay, good. Wait. Take first. Damn! He's smart. I gotta resign. Whatever. Pressure on this piece. Defend my queen.
I tried to my phone or something. No, it's not them to the upstairs. And then I need the base. Thank you.
She used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that headline ring. That could only mean one thing. Doo doo doo. I'm bored, bro. I mean, if you do that, that's fine. I think I'm gonna take here so you don't activate your queen. That's so stupid. Like that was so ridiculously stupid. I might even just take another pawn for that. That was so ridiculously stupid. I might just take another pawn for that. I'm going to. Can't even check me. What are you even aiming for? Now, your queen is under attack. Your queen is under attack. Your knight is under attack. And yeah. So you have to take back. You don't take back, then I take. Oops.
What are you talking about?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. I already told you the way it's paying attention to her. I don't know. How we gonna argue when you were talking?
Oh, he tried to be smart. He tried to be smart. He wasn't dumb. He was trying to be smart. Because if I had taken with my queen, he would have forked my queen. Wow. What's my guy? Smart guy, smart guy, smart guy. Love to see smart. What was it?
What's up? Um, I don't think I should hire him.
Yes, you did. Anyway.
I'm not even paying no attention to her. You're getting on my nerves. Like, you're doing that on purpose. Like, I don't. I'm talking about it. Yeah, I'm not even checking for the car. Right, but it's like, the raw stuff, he cut between raw. Now you are giving it to me and I don't want it. You better text her. Like, the drama that y'all got going on. Drama is, how is it? How is it we? We ain't speaking to each other. What the hell are you talking about? Ain't nobody focused on her. We probably get each other attention because she's messing with my ex. But it's not like I'm checking for her. It's not like I don't care. Fine, but I don't care. Like, she's been working over there for 5 years. Like, I don't really. I just told you that. Like, I know where the girl lives at. And I have not joked out the house about one time. I'm not. I don't care about nothing that got to do with Michelle. I wish her nothing but joy and happiness in life. I don't care about nothing else. Listen, I got a week left.
Damn, just resign, buddy. Just resign, buddy. Takes. Oh, that's so bad. How do I checkmate this fool? Yeah, resign, buddy. Nice.
It's hard. You're over here talking to me about your girlfriend. I'm looking at you like, this is weird to me. I don't want to sit here and talk about her. It's not peacefully cat. You're making it seem like something else. Like, it's weird. Yeah, so she did that. And whatever. No. Because I felt like she probably thought it was you on the purpose. Like, she looked over and it's like, okay, I don't have an issue with her. I sit there and told you, if you, like, I literally go, you go to this again, I wash your dish, I leave it, I don't touch nothing that I know is hers. Even when I get in the car, if it's something that's hers, I don't touch it. I'm not petty. I'm not childish. I don't care about her. We don't got to know each other. I don't give a shit. She would say hi. I'm like, hey, I don't. I don't do that. And you know I don't, because the way I'm raised. You know how my family is. My family ain't like that. I wasn't raised like that, so I don't get down like that. But whatever y'all got going on, if y'all got some dragging something, keep me out of it. Keep my name out of it. Keep me out of it. Okay. Listen, no matter what, I'm allowed to look out in the street. Right. So, like I said, I'm not looking at her. I'm not checking for her. I'm not worried about her. I can care less what she got going on in her life, what she's doing with her life. I don't care. Okay, okay. It's going towards that high now. I'm not gonna look her way, nigga. She's not doing nothing. I don't know why he's like that. Bro, I don't look over at her job. I don't look at nothing she's doing.
And we spike passive.
These shits up. It took that buy side liquidity.
Yeah, it took it cleanly too. 12:30.
I'm not allowed to look around in my facility. Well, please stop. Like, you're making this super weird, and it's getting on my nerves now. Like, you tell me what I'm not allowed to look at outside in public. Like, that's weird. Okay, so it's a buy side. I don't even gonna go to 44 now.
Yeah, it took left side. It was best for some tea on. I'm still waiting.
And we got those daily good value. You got some of those too.
Yep.
484 is coming. Not bad, you had to hold on.
Yep. I'm gonna win a pawn regardless. Like, this is so stupid, bro. Like, this is so dumb. Like, what did you think was gonna happen here? Like, I'm still winning a pawn. Nothing is attacking me. Like, if you want to come down again, I'll just take. Honestly, I could really, like, get right here and mate one. Yeah, I can really just get right here and dynamite one. You can't defend unless, yeah, well. That's mating one. Defend, defend, defend. He has to come. In order for him, he has to come like, yeah, checkmate, right? Ooh, oh my God, I almost blundered that badly. There. Oh, take. Wait. I could take two. I could take. Okay, so now he's attacking, so I'm just gonna take this. And then I'm just gonna attack you. If he decides to attack mine. He's in trouble. queen. Why not? I'll go back here. No, that wouldn't work. Ooh, no, that wouldn't work. Sir, what are you doing? Ooh, that no, that wouldn't work either. What to do? What to do? What to do? Just take the S frame. That's fine. I don't know what I'm doing here, honestly. Like my plan kind of just fell apart.
I see some call sign. I'm coming back.
Yep. That would be checkmate, right? No, it would, wouldn't it? Oh, you can go back there, so it wouldn't be checkmate. And I can go here. And then you'll still be safe. Oh, he's trying to flip me. He's trying to flip my insides in. Holy moly. Let's go for it. Checkmate. Sorry, buddy.
Yo, I had made one like that. I seen that too. Damn, I had made one like that. I took back. Fifty-fifty. That's crazy. Whatever. Still a whole game. Anyway, what are we looking like? Took by side.
I don't know. We took outside. Yeah.
Took by side. Came all the way back down. Not surprised at all. Bears just some team. It's bullshit. Consolidation.
I would have been going to use that in the session to try to go.
And it's right on the tape there. Well, improvement was also red too. I'm not surprised. Not even a little bit. That would have been a good sell opportunity, but not like not really trying to trade until maybe like 130. 130 maybe. What was I gonna look at on my phone? Let's see this.
Guys, when it I don't think there's ever been a panel with big assemblage of financial accountants. I don't think there's ever been a panel with big assemblage of financial accountants. Skill as you've been able to put together here today. Big assemblage of financial talent and skill as you've been able to put together here today. I think that's how system like you need to pick it up. You have to make sure that there's the education.
Oh, I don't feel like staying on the market all day. Like, what time for this? Like, it's bullshit. So, Erica,
Yes.
you still trading? Yeah, I like the sellers, like the sell, like back into the range to continue chopping everything up. Maybe people would think this is a buy, but I don't know. I like the chop, but that's just me having a trade idea. I'll probably just go on my practice and do it. But to actually take this trade would be kind of crazy.
50-minute is showing a nice break and retest to the downside. 30-minute ain't giving it nothing.
Basically, if I was being honest, this looks like a sell, but just because of the fake out and 15, it looks like it's weak. I kind of want to take the sell too on my little on my actual combine. I think I might. I might.
I'm liking it on 15.
I took it there. We foul coming up. So break it low and then maybe play it back into the range. Maybe back to point of control. At least that's all I'm willing to give it. Yes. I'll give us a point of control. That's it. I'm not really. I'm not. I don't know about it breaking lower and this 12:30. Like I don't know. I don't think so. Point control is fine. New 5 minute coming up. New 5. For the break.
And it's crazy when you're on a 5 minute and have it for the value gap and the previous candle with into that.
Yeah, that's why. That's what I'm really looking at. Also, bearish S&T too, by the way. So that's really why I like it. But I'm only taking it to the point of control. So I don't think it's gonna go
Where is that at?
337.
I'm gonna bathroom. When I get the shower, I think I'm looking to see. I want to see stable at 375.
Green on the tape there. Uh-huh.
Let me try so. I'm looking at structure over in 5 minutes.
I'm so on it. I don't really. It's okay. I think I'm gonna stop out here just because it didn't break. Like we're consolidating. And to be honest, I should really not be using this anymore. So should be done at 11:30. A lot of green on the tick there. Set up under control. And stepped up. On two. That's good.
Oh, we haven't said one so long.
I got break even on the day. I took this 5 minute short up here. I wish I started sooner. Hello, can you hear me? It's loud in here.
Yeah.
Not much. I'm here at the shop. My car needs to be big done to it. It needs the brake rotors and control shoulders replaced. Yeah.
Did you end up getting this in?
No.
It'd be 700 for Thank you. I was really looking forward to getting everything done today. I'm sending that over now. But if you need, if they're gonna take too long with the car, then just let me know and I'll get you.
Oh, beautiful.
It's loud in here. It's like my one job and it's my second house.
It's just scary.
Be there, right on the tape. Yeah, I'm gonna see if we can go down to those lows. But I'm still looking. Oh, we got right on the tape. We're not going lower there. Some buyers stepping in right there to catch that. Let's see which one takes over. Oh, no stop over. Right on the tape. I don't like that. Should have went. Block that up like shit. Oh, turn right. Nice. Gonna break it a low. Turn back green.
Oh, that's a nasty rejection. So I really rejected that 353 before, or we just rejected it from the downside, like we couldn't push through it, and then we finally pushed through it at 11. There we go.
Right on the tape.
I want to see a break 347.
Oh, this daily candle.
There we go.
There's daily candles up. It's 187 points. Where that?
Mm-hmm.
See, there's daily candles 187 points.
Isn't it?
For sure.
She's fair.
I know I ain't blow my account.
Hey?
And no wonder I ain't blow my account. Because ain't shit going on.
Well, it's like little, nice little scalp shit going on. I had that in almost at 376.
5 coming out. Yes.